Maybe you've seen one of these things, a large rubber ball that you put in the front of your mouth and chew really hard. I wouldn't recommend that because that creates an unnaturally large angle of a lever of your jaw and puts a lot of stress on your jaw joint. Maybe you've seen this. This is called pure mastic gum, which a lot of people are selling these days. It's these crystal-like chunks covered in some sort of chalk with virtually no flavor, or if any, it's terrible. Just watch. It's flying all over the place. And almost immediately it is soft. In direct comparison, my gum is a nice taste. It's larger, it's harder, and it lasts a lot longer. And the texture is actually pleasant, just like normal gum. You simply chew it in the back of your mouth with your molars. It's nice and small, it fits right in there, and it's not creating an unnatural angle of your jaw and putting unnecessary strength on this fragile jaw joint. This is by far the most practical and enjoyable way to exercise your jaw.